Hi guys, welcome to another alcoholic unboxing video with Thomas. Today we're basically doing a double unboxing. Mechboards Limited sent me in 2 keyboards at once that we're going to take a look at. And we're going to do that while enjoying a German beer called Erdinger Weissbier bitte ja! Anyway, that's this. Cheers guys. Man, this thing is so fucking heavy. It's just about to fall over in my hand. Delicious beer, though. Right, so let's have a look at that. There have been quite a few unboxings of late, so there should be some interesting stuff coming up. Let's have a look at this. Oh, well, this is very simply packed, I guess. Or at least it seems to be like that. Never say never here. Right. Get rid of the jacket. Go away. Okay, looks like a white box. Interesting. By the way, by white box I mean pre-production model box. Those are generally white, and as such they tend to refer to prototypes as white box models, or white box testers, or white box samples, or whatever. But I'm not sure. I didn't think this was a prototype. Right, how am I getting in here? Give me the skateboard. Not cut into myself here, hopefully. Have I freed it now? It looks like it. Right. I know there's a lot of foam on top of this, don't worry about that. That's completely normal. Jesus. Okay. Okay. Might be able to spot from the side that this is something interesting they got here. Fucking hell. That's in there pretty tight. See, nothing else in the box. Nothing else in the box. Right, got rid of that. Get rid of this. Okay, I think it might show both keyboards at once, so I'm going to very carefully cut this open. I don't want to cut into the keyboard, which is directly below here. Slightly nerve-wracking, this. Cool. Then, okay, so I'm going to set this aside for a second. First of all, this looks like a 3D printed Bulbasaur. And I think you can even stick something on top of it. I don't know, what is it, a switch tester or something? That'd be fucking the tits, by the way, if that were the case. I'll come back to that in a bit. And of course, the second thing that you can't help but notice is this. This, ladies and gentlemen, is a Hyper7 keyboard. Finally I got one. I've been looking for one of these for a long time. I even have the PCBs for it, just a bare PCB, nothing on it. But you also need a couple of other things which are quite difficult to get. A case. Thankfully they included that for me here. And of course all the components, and that's maybe the most difficult to get, keycaps. Now, finding a Hyper7 compatible keycap set is fucking impossible. And I tried, and I'm not even gonna persist in doing that. So what I'm gonna do is just put a fuck ton of random keycaps on here and see what I get. So it's gonna look like some sort of patchwork Hyper7. In any case, they just loaded it out with, well, whatever switches were most convenient to them. I said just put whatever on that you want to get rid of. I think this will give us an opportunity to talk about a new switch type, because I'm pretty sure I haven't reviewed these yet. Not quite sure what the name is, probably burnt orange or some stupid name like that, but anyway, I'll put that in the review. It's, Jesus fucking Christ, it's heavy. Don't tell me this is... No, okay, it's not steel. I thought for a second that it was steel. I think it's just aluminium. But my God, it still weighs a lot. It's 2 plates. 2 plates of metal. And look at that, it's got nice feet at the back. And here a... Oh! a very ancient... What's this? Mini USB plug. I'm sure I've got a cable of that lying around somewhere. They used to be very popular for keyboards at some point. I'm sure I still have some left. Maybe they included one though. Anyway, let's... Oh my God, this thing is so fucking heavy. Let's set this aside. If I can, without filling up the entire frame. The Hyper7 is a huge keyboard, obviously. It's exactly the kind of stuff I like. Love that sort of shit. I like big form factors. Fuck this stupid 60% bullcrap. Right, let's see. Does this work as a switch tester? Just grab whatever switch I have on hand. No, I don't think so. I don't think that fits. I have to... It's still, especially the hole in the middle, right? It makes it look like it's some sort of switch tester. I'm probably just being stupid. I don't know. Whatever. Oh, I'll find out what this is. It looks kind of cool, though. It's a bit like the last keyboard I unboxed. I also had fuck tons of 3D printed stuff. Right. On to the second part. Now, especially compared to this giant keyboard, what do you think this is? First, I'm going to unbox this. Yeah, first I'm going to unbox this. I think you guys will like this when you see it, for many, many reasons. Again, I need to be a little bit careful not to damage the contents here, because this is a very thin package. You might be able to see it already, actually. So this is, I think this is the original thing they tried to push on me, and then I found out that they also had a Hyper7. I think it was something like that. In any case, no, I think this is slightly different. No, this is not it. No, this is not it. This looks like their logo, I think, in top form. Yeah, this is promo material. It's even got what? MechBoard's dog tags. I thought this was different. I'm glad I unboxed it in this order though, because it should be that this even smaller package then is, yeah. What can I say? Oh my God, what the fuck? Jesus, it's so much smaller than I thought it was. Oh my God, what the fuck is this shit? Oh no, what have I gotten myself into? Okay, so this thing, which is considerably smaller than my hand, is, and it's got micro switches for keys, is a horrible keyboard whose name I don't even remember. What was it again? The PocketType. My fucking God. Oh, Jesus. Okay, man. Anyway, so this one does actually have a USB-C port on it. Do I have a USB-C at the ready? Yeah, I think I probably do. Let's have a look. Plug out this keyboard for a second. Still nice and warm. Get rid of this. I was thinking this is a bit on the big side for what I expected, but this really is on the small side. Right, let me start up something I can type in. This is ridiculous. Oh God, oh no. Okay, that's escape. This is QWERTY. This is function keys and enter. Function keys. What? This is a backspace. Oh my god. Well, it works, but Jesus Christ. It's got a nice little red indicator light. Oh. So, especially, I like this little twofer that they gave me. So they gave me a keyboard that's this size and a keyboard that's, let's just bring it back into frame for a second. There you go. And a keyboard that's this size. Yeah, that's... This fits in here, what? How many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5... About 15 times. 50... Okay. Wow. So... Right, I think both of these should be pretty interesting reviews, I'm reckoning. I wonder which of the two you guys will like more. Right, well, I think this is a relatively short unboxing. Definitely both of these are going to be in the new year sometime. I still have 2 more keyboards I want to get out during this calendar year. And yeah, a few more ones that I want to do at the start of the new year as well. So I'm not exactly sure when I'm going to get to these, but these look excellent. Anyway, right, that's it for this unboxing video, guys. Cheers, and I'll see you in the next video.